Greetings, I'm Jacob Glassmeyer, if we haven't met before, also known as your Tai Chi Guide. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're going to find this experience one that is a benefit for you in your practice of Qigong. Now, if you've never practiced Qigong before, go back to the first video and you'll see hands holding up to heaven, supporting the heaven. And then try those the same way as we're going to try these. This movement is called gentle punches from the side with a stern gazing look. Now, I'm not going to go in depth into what all of this means, but just simply to show you the encyclopedia of movements from the same named movement. So gentle punches from the side from a stern gazing with a stern gazing look, or gentle punches from the side, whichever that you like. So we're going to start, I'm just going to do like one or two and then go into the next one, go into the next one this way, okay? So my invitation for you, my viewers, is that you watch the first one, practice it 4 or 5 times, alternating 1, 2, 3, 4, but there's one that's both hands at the same time. See which one that you enjoyed most and then put that in your Rolodex of movements for your 8 brocade Qigong. You know, many years ago, I had people come to my class and they go, well, what Qigong is that? I said, it's 8 brocades. It says, it's not the 8 brocades that I learned. And so that took me into a world of research to find all these different movements of the same named movement, maybe different name, but with the same intention. So we're here in the studio. We're going to start with, since it's gentle punches from the side, but we're going to go into a slightly wider than shoulder width position right here. Now we begin, and this doesn't count seated position, which is simply going to be heels up and heels down. We're going to close our hands and not squeeze. Pull the elbows back. Ideally, breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. And we're going to sink down and reach one hand out. Doesn't matter which one. Now give me a high five. Turn the palm of the hand to the sky. Close the hand. Draw it in. Rise up. So drawing in is breath in. Sinking down other side is exhale. Breath in. So that's our first style, way, experience in gentle punches from the side. Now during this practice, since you do focus on longer breaths, if you do feel lightheaded, dizzy, nauseous, please sit down and only move into the range of motion that fits your body. Just let me be the concierge movement for you. Here goes our second one. We start the same way, but now we were going to rise. The arm's going to do the same extension, but something different with the hand. So we sink, we open, turn down, then turn back up, close, rise in, breath in. Same with the other side. Sink down, turn up, close, rise. Okay, here's number 3. Sink down. This is the one that teacher taught me. We open. Pull the hand to your heart like we're going to do a Pledge of Allegiance. Let the hand sink down through following the spine. The palm of the hand presses to the earth. Feel the shoulder blades hug the spine. Feel the chest open, fingertips behind. Pinky closes first. We rise up. Let's do that with the other side. Breath in. Here we go. Sink down. Inhale, rise. Sink down, exhale. Now the next one I call is the big hello. We're going to do the same kind of movement, but the arms are going to do something different to finish. So breath in, sink, reach out, give me a high five. Palm comes in, just like we did. Now this time though, turn the palm of your hand to me. Not to you, to me, to the camera. So now the thumb's down. Feel the shoulder blade pull to the spine. Feel the chest open. And there's the big hello. And we sink down, we draw back up. Let's do it one more time on the other side. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Turn the palm of the hand, a big hello. We sink down. Now, double punch. Here we go. Breath in, sink down. Now, my thumbs are going to be extended for your viewing. So you can see that the thumbs are going to go all the way down, as full of a rotation as you can get. The hands open, fingers towards each other. Now we turn, and I invite you to bring your pinky fingers together so it's like a mirrored view. And we rise back up. You ready for the next one? Here we go. Sink down, single punch, and just before you get to the end of it, give it a quick, sharp, and then relax. Draw up and in. Other side. Draw up and in. Last one. You might know of some different ones. Here you go. Punch out. Pull in. Looks similar, right? But wait, there's more. Punch again, open. Now punch to the side. Look, punch to the side. But wait, there's more. Let the spine turn and punch behind you. Other side. Hands release, sinking down. I think that's enough. What do you think? Here, let's bring our feet closer to each other. Reach, extend as I finish our experience here, as I invite you, as I do in every class, to think of those people, places, things, thoughts, and ideas that bring you health, healing, hope, and happiness. To your mind, your mental energy, to your heart, your emotional energy, and to the center of you, geographically, right where your belt buckle might be, to focus on your physical energy. Draw it in, that chi you want to be. Sink it down. Let it infuse all of who and what you are to your atomic level. Thank you. I'm Jacob Glassmeyer, your Tai Chi guide. Our last movement comes to us next week, jingling the body. It's going to be a great time. Until then, be good to yourself. You deserve it. Remember, we got one life, one body. Make the most of both.